Curl Nation, when I tell you my hair has been through it today, this week, these last couple of weeks have not been my best weeks for my hair. I went to the reserves for about 2 weeks straight, which is incredibly taxing on my body, especially since now that I am working out and then I'm trying to show up for myself, and then I'm going to the reserves, and then I'm out there and all that, all those elements, and then I'm having to put my bonnet on, put my bonnet off, take my cranial on, put my cranial on, take my cranial off. It has been just, my hair is so dry. Like, I don't even know what to do. I know what to do. I wouldn't be here if I didn't know what to do. But what I'm trying to say is, it has just not been a good time for my hair. She is a little on the dry side, but luckily I do have a plan. I have updated technique, and the finished style for today is going to be a wash and go. So I'm not playing games, and I don't have to. I am really just wanting to just knock this out and move on. So I have the products that I want to use ready. I am going to let you see me wash my hair at the deep sink today, because I actually, without telling you guys, I reconfigured my wash day I configured my home to my wash day, because that's how important it is. Anyone who has been in the Navy would definitely know that if you've ever been black and washed your hair in a deep sink, that's just something that don't leave you, because washing your hair in a deep sink is like the hybrid of washing your hair in a bathtub. It's the closest thing to washing your hair underneath a faucet that you're gonna get on a military vessel, and that's if you're lucky. So I actually did install a deep sink. I guess some things really just doesn't leave you. I'm going to be washing my hair in a deep sink today and just doing my 1-2 and getting it over with. I'm going to be using an elasticity treatment, and I'm also going to be using like the Shea Moisture shampoo, because it's incredibly thick. It's thick and it keeps my hair from reverting. I think I told over the last couple of weeks I've been updating my wash routine, and the more elongated my hair is during my wash routine, the less tangling that I have, the less complications that I have, the less that I have to snatch and pull. So this is in alignment with where I was going. So I actually wash my hair dry, if that makes any sense. I don't put the water on there. You'll see it in a little bit. I don't put the water on my hair until I am ready to rinse. So I applied a shampoo on my hair dry, and then I will go in there and work it in and get into its little sections and stuff like that. This is the part that I have is pretty much what I'm going to stick with for this wash day. For this wash and go. There's really no need for me to pre-detangle. My hair has already kind of had its own hot oil treatment, since these oils have been sitting in my hair for a little bit now, so I can kind of sort of skip that part, and I'm just going to roll into it